This is a free monthly Excel shift schedule template. It is built for simple manual staff planning. Start by clicking the Start Date cell. Enter the first day you want to plan. Next, set the end date. For a monthly schedule, choose the last day in the range. Now enter the default number of people needed. This number is used on days that do not have a weekday override. If some weekdays need a different number of people, use the weekday override row. Click a weekday cell and enter the required staff number for that day. Then replace the sample employee names. Use the names your team recognizes on the schedule. In the schedule grid, click a day cell. Type W when the person is working. Type U when someone is unavailable. This keeps that person marked away for that day. Type L for a locked assignment. Use it when you want to mark that shift as fixed. If there is no assignment, leave the cell blank. After entering the schedule, check the result rows. Assigned shows how many people are scheduled. Understaffed shows where you still need more people. Overstaffed shows where extra people are scheduled. Use the employee summary to review totals by person. Check assigned, locked, unavailable, total, and blank counts before your final manual edits. When you are ready, download the free Excel Shift Schedule template. You can search for Converge Free Excel Shift Schedule template. You can also find the link in the channel's About section.